Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. Today I want to show you, this is ARTY OWL. ARTY OWL is a digital kit that I designed. I drew this cute owl that has a mandala theme. And he's very colorful and cute, and he's got a crown you can put on his head, branches and leaves, beautiful wings. It also comes with a plain body where you could make him a brown owl. The black and white set is not colored because I want to show that you can do him in any color that you'd like. So I'd made it colorful here, but you could do monochromatic blues and make a blue owl, and I'll show you that, or any colors that you want. So when you buy this digital and you download it, you're going to get one set that isn't just in black and white, with a plain owl, no mandala, if you just want a plain owl with wings and a tail. And the mandala owl, the branch, the leaves, and then the second set that is pre-colored. So what you want to do, this is an articulated paper doll. So let me show you how I have used ARTY OWL. So this is one of my fun art journals, and I have put ARTY OWL in this art journal. And the first thing you want to do is to print it out on some really heavy cardstock. I suggest 120 to 140 pound cardstock, something really heavy. He comes out and works much better if you put it on heavier cardstock. So you print him out, and then you're going to cut out the pieces. There is a direction sheet. I also have a video, which I'll link in the description box below, that actually shows me assemble it and how to create the moving parts to him. So you can go right there and watch that video and see how to use or how to assemble and make his wings movable for ARTY OWL. So this is what I've done, is put him on a page. This is a page that is folded, so there's just a partial page. And how this owl works, it's so cute. It's so cute. Is you pull his tail and look at his wings go up. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? It is so fun in an art journal. So I did the branch and the leaves, put the mandala owl, made the moving parts behind, and then when you pull his tail, his wings go up. Isn't that so cute? It is the funnest, cutest thing to put in your art journal. So this is an old Spiderwick, Chronicles of Spiderwick hardbound book. It's a kid's book, and I had turned it into a glue book / art journal a while back. I still play in it from time to time. And I added an ARTY OWL in blue on this page. So this page had a big tree with some lanterns hanging in it, and I collaged some flowers and things. And then I added this owl. So that's how I was saying in that plain one, the plain version that doesn't have anything on it, no mandala, it's not colored, it's black and white. I colored it in blues because I wanted a blue owl. It doesn't have to be blue. You could have a multicolored owl, a pink owl, a brown owl to make it look realistic. And on this one, I added scrapbooking paper, and then I added feathers that I folded over a pencil to round them and make them dimensional. And then I trimmed out around his head and stuck the feathers under there to make it look really cute and dimensional. And I have a video on this one as well, so I've got 2 videos to link to show you what I've done to create these in my journal. And then again, the same thing, you pull the tail and his wings go up. It's just so cute. I think it's adorable. I love him. I hope you guys like him too. He's super fun. But that shows you that you can make a colored one any way that you want to. In that plain body where there's nothing, you could rubber stamp it. So you could rubber stamp images in that. When you print it out onto cardstock, you could rubber stamp it and color it in. You could draw your own mandala. You could write journaling. That'd be a great place to put journaling in your art journal, is journal on his open body. And so that having that plain one makes it versatile. So you've got the colored version, and then you've got the black and white version. You have him with and without mandalas. So that way it gives you a bunch of options to play around and use them in several different ways. If you didn't want to make his parts movable like this, you didn't want to go to the extent of adding the movable parts that make it movable, my little movable part idea, then you could just cut it out and make him a focal point and put him on your page, put his put his feathers or his wings up in different ways and glue him down as a focal point too. So if you don't want to go to the extent of making him an articulated paper doll, you can glue him into place as a fun focal. So there are some fun ways to use this owl, and I hope you enjoy this and watch those other 2 videos so that you can check it out. And then there will be a link in the description box for how to find this paper doll kit in my shop. If you don't know how to find the description box in a video for YouTube, right under the title of the video, whether you're on an iPhone, iPad, computer, whenever you're in YouTube, right under the title of any video, there'll be the word ... and the word more. If you tap on the word more, it opens up a box that's the description. If you scroll down, anything that's written in that box that has affiliate links or links to products, or how to find, how to follow me on social media for Instagram or TikTok, or find the YouTube or the Facebook group that I have. I have a Facebook group, so if you purchase things of mine and you've made cute pages, I'd love to see what you created. So it's really fun to join that Facebook group and show your stuff, because everybody gets inspired by each other. So but those where all those links and things are. It's in the description box. Go and do that ... more. It brings you to the box. It opens up the initial paragraph that you read, but then if you scroll down, all the links and all the places to follow are in there, and you can find my shop. You can find this digital, my freebies that I've listed recently. And then if there's other products that I'm promoting, because they're things that I use and love, I'm an affiliate with Amazon. So if you purchase things through my links, I get a few pennies, but it keeps the lights on. So anyway, have fun and enjoy this. I hope you enjoy this, and watch the other videos so you can see how I create Arty Owl. And then go check out the kit and see if you're interested. And he's reasonable, so I try to keep my kits reasonable so that everybody can play along. And I hope you're doing something fun in your art journal today and making art, because as we know, art soothes the heart. All right, thanks for stopping by. I sure appreciate all my followers. I love you guys, and I will see you next video.